Hi, I'm Dr. A, and here is something I learned the hard way. In leadership, crisis is not the enemy, but short thinking is. When I was rebuilding programs in post conflict Iraq, the question was not what should we do to survive this year? But the question was, what will still be standing when we are gone? So the team and I stopped chasing quick wins and start thinking about foundations. The result? More than 15 nationwide projects still running and funded since 2004 until now. Here is the tip: if your leadership disappears after you are gone, then it wasn't leadership, it was performance. Build with purpose, lead with legacy.